Okay, you gonna do it again?
Yeah. Do it again 4 times.
Good job, Ronnie. You gonna show them how to dip under the water and come back up?
Yeah. Dip on the water and hold my breath.
Okay.
Oh, so cold. I got it. I got bubbles right there.
Good job. You hold your breath.
What? I hold my breath on myself and my girls do it too. On the walk like this. Like boys do it. Okay.
Well, it doesn't matter if it's a girl or a boy. You can both hold your breath under the water, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
The bottom right there and the jump on it. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Okay, Mom. 1. Mama, count to 4.
1, 2,